Let's unbox the MSI Gaming X RTX 4060 Ti 16GB version. There's a couple of holes here cut out for easy grip. There we go. Here's your protection for the top of the box. Although the box itself is quite sturdy, this cardboard will do a good job protecting the graphics card during shipping. Inside of the box, I don't expect to find any special accessories, because this is more of a budget-friendly GPU. And indeed, we only get like the regular documentation, quick start guide, and some other paperwork. No big deal. Let's open the bag. And here it is. Gaming X. It is a good looking card. Don't forget to peel protective film off of the fans. There we go. And now without the film, those dragons look nice and shiny. In terms of display connections, we get the usual, one HDMI and 3 display ports. Power is delivered through one 8-pin connector. This MSI logo has LEDs, and we'll take a look at how that works when I install this graphics card in my new PC a little bit later on in this video. The backplate is metal, and it has some brushed accents. Very nice. And there's a cutout for extra cooling. And speaking of cooling, it is a 2-slot card, and it does have 3 heat pipes. Those heat pipes penetrate through the right side of the heatsink, like so. You can see them inside. There they are. And then over to this side as well. It's good that we have metal backplate, because some of the memory chips are actually located over here, and they do have thermal pads connecting them to the backplate to help dissipate heat. And second half of memory chips is cooled by this plate that cools the GPU as well, so all the heat is transferred into the heatsink. Let's check the size. This GPU is 250 millimeters long, and it is a little bit taller than the most compact ones, but that means that we get larger fans for better cooling. And this kind of height is standard, so you will not have any issues installing this graphics card into normal size PC cases, such as mid-tower. And here is what this graphics card looks like as a part of the build. That's the LEDs. Those are quite nice. Goes well with all the other LEDs in this PC build. I've paired this graphics card with the Ryzen 5 7600X CPU. If you want to see how it performs, then subscribe to my main channel. The link will be in the description below. I will test this PC in all of the latest games very soon. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, then give it a like. Let me know in the comments below what do you think about all this, and subscribe for more if you haven't already. It was I, Vadim. Until next time.